Wood-Mizer LT40 Sawmill, created in 1982, is called today legendary, as it forever changed the way people convert logs to timber. In 2022, we're celebrating its 40th birthday. It was designed to be efficient, cost-effective, and simple to operate so that anyone and anywhere can safely produce wooden material. With a selection of thin-curved sawmill blades, sawmillers can recover much more timber from every log and use less energy to operate the machine. Over the years, the LT40 Sawmill has proven a flexible and reliable machine, the backbone of thousands of successful wood processing businesses worldwide. It's ideal for small and medium-sized companies as it provides efficiency, precision, and consistency in timber production at a very affordable cost. The LT40 Sawmill has been engineered as a sturdy and durable machine capable of working long hours in all weather conditions. The LT40 has been designed to process logs with a maximum diameter of 90 centimeters on a 5 meter long, 6.3 meter long, or 8.6 meter long sawmill bed. It's supplied with either manual, hydraulic, or super-hydraulic log handling configurations to match productivity and budget requirements. An optional debarker can extend the blade's lifetime even by 30%. The saw head is moved vertically and horizontally with an electric motor, and it also features an electric blade guide arm. The blade lubrication can be optionally supplied with a Wood-Mizer system for the best blade cooling and cleaning performance. An automatic bore thickness system is built into the operator panel to reduce the time needed for adjusting the cutting thickness. Is the LT40 Sawmill the best machine in its class? No doubt. Sawmillers around the globe have confirmed it many times during the past 4 decades. Good job, LT40. Happy birthday!